This is the dustbin and the filter, and it's a bit grotty because I have used it a couple of times already. And this is where the dust gets sucked in. I don't know if you can see, but that's an incredibly narrow slot where that goes in. Just going to take a second to show you underneath. This is the brush and it slots in there. And that's where you find your first major problem. And I don't know if you're going to be able to tell from this, but this brush is incredibly soft. Like, I could use that as a makeup brush. It's so soft. It basically has no strength in it whatsoever. So if it's gliding over dirt, it's not even going to pick it up. It's just going to go straight over the top. And then if you look down here, the brush spins here. And there's a little rubber flap here. And that's the vacuum through there. That's what sucks. So you've got a very weak, very sad little brush and a very, very tiny hole that sucks up the dirt, or tries to. Okay, now I'm just going to demonstrate something here now. This is a piece of husky hair. We unfortunately have a husky who leaves a lot of hair around the place, and as you can see, it's very lightweight, just a bit of fluff. I'm not sticking it to the carpet or anything. I'm just going to throw it down like that, and then I'm going to put the Cleanmate in its path and see how it does picking it up. So just when you think it's picked it up, it comes out the other end, and it's just moved it a little bit but not actually sucked it up anyway. I mean, we're not talking about big chunks or heavy things. This is a tiny little piece of fluff. Okay, we're going to do another experiment now. If you've watched the official video, you would have noticed that they have a video of the vacuum cleaner picking up some bits of paper. So I've just ripped up some paper here, and we're going to run the Cleanmate over that and see what happens. So as you can see, it's picked up a few, but still quite a few pieces there, and when you consider that this ran directly over the top, I don't think that's done a very good job at all. Okay, so when I said it's actually picked up a few, I was a little bit wrong. It's just moved a few. I've come and looked around the corner where it went, and there's the other pieces that I thought it had picked up. So it's just transported them from there down the hallway into the bedroom. Awesome! Just wanted to show you side by side a comparison. This here is my iRobot Roomba. It's actually really old now. I've had it for about 8 years and it doesn't work anymore because the battery is depleted. It only runs for about 3 seconds at a time. But when it did work, I can assure you that it was 1,000 times the machine that the Cleanmate was, and it worked a lot harder. I'll just turn them over so you can have a look at the difference in the brushes and the suction. So if you look at them underneath, you'll see there's just no comparison whatsoever in the quality. This is the Cleanmate with its very sad, very flimsy little brush and its tiny little suction area there. This is the Roomba. I don't know if they still look like this, the Roombas. I've had this one a long time, as I said. As you can see, the wheels are a lot more solid. And that's where my camera ran out of batteries. So I'll just quickly tell you what I said in the last minute. I just wanted to show you the difference between the two brushes. This is the Roomba brush. It's a lot bigger, a lot more solid, when you consider it's had very heavy use as compared to the Cleanmate, which I've actually only used twice and probably will never use again. And it's also got this little rubber doobie here, and when it sucks, it actually sucks in. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it actually sucks in through there, so the brushes spin and actually suck into the machine instead of it being a separate slot. So out of the two of them, I would definitely say get the Roomba. I'm sure the new model is even better than this one, and I'm hoping that I can get my money back on the Cleanmate, which was a total waste, and I will instead be forking out for a new Roomba, or I might try out the Robomaids. Anyway, good luck, and if you see one of those Cleanmates on a deal website, don't be tempted unless all you need is some very light dusting, because it really isn't good for anything else. I'm very disappointed to say. Thanks for watching.